Okay, there's what we call no ending and no starting point. You basically tell me, Pascal, could you please play on E flat? Okay. But what if I show you the chord I'm on, but I don't actually play on the chords? Now I want to do extensional movements, okay? It has everything to do with playing all the notes. I don't care if it's wrong or right. I'm using extensive chord, I'm using dominant, diminished, okay? This is the beginning. There is power mighty in the blood. Every power mighty in the blood. There is power mighty. What am I doing? I'm just doing extensive. See, I'm doing. There is power mighty in the blood. There is power. Can you see because I'm playing? It doesn't really look like I'm playing on E, on what's it called, on E flat. I'm doing extensive chords. You see, there is power. You only know the first instance. There is power, mighty. You see, in the blood. There is power, mighty, in the blood. There is power, mighty, in the blood of Jesus Christ. Power, mighty, in the blood. I don't want to go to my one. I don't want to resolve on my one. You see what I'm doing? I can play on E flat, but I'm playing on the C. Be lifted up. Be lifted up. Oh Lord. I don't really know what I'm playing. I don't know the chords I'm on, but I know that I'm just doing something related. Oh Lord. This is the melody. Be lifted up. I can actually go on F. Oh Lord. Be lifted up. See, for you are Lord. I'm on the F sharp. Da 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 da. Oh, I'm on C. See, oh Lord. I'm on C sharp. Be lifted. It's a lot actually. Because I got most of my chords from the music school I attend in Abu Dhabi, and also from good gospel singers, good gospel musicians actually online, because most of my teachers are foreigners, are Black Americans, and they are so good on it. Because what they do is they don't show you heights. They don't tell you Pascal, you're on C. They just tell you hit the first note. You deserve the glory. Okay, you deserve the. This is the note I'm on, right? You deserve the glory. Why am I starting like this? But you don't know. I'm doing related. Okay, what am I saying? You deserve the glory and the honor. Lord, I lift my voice to worship. I so bless your holy name. You deserve the. I love this. So you don't know if I'm on F or I'm on C. But I can play pretty simple. Open the floodgates. I'm on C sharp. In abundance and cause your rain.